Brother, I'll sing it for you. I got you.
What is it? What song is it? Come on, you better sing it good too, honey. Come on now.
Perfect to me. I got you, brother. It was like yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
When I held you hanging in the city light.
Come on now.
Dancing the night away. As I gently stirred you in the beating night.
Hey, honey, don't steal my job, man. Don't steal my job, bro.
What's good? It's your boy Honey from TahuFM here in Otautahi, Christchurch, New Zealand. We got Josh Tatofi on the line. What's good, my brother?
What up, gang? What up?
It's good to have you on, brother. It's good to have you on.
Feels good, man. It's a cold day out here in Nashville. I'm currently out here finishing my album right now, my Looking for Love album. And then also getting ready for the Looking for Love tour as well, which we are coming out to Aotearoa. So I can't wait to see you guys.
What inspired this tour, brother?
You know, man, first of all, Aotearoa has been one of my favorite places to go to. The fan base out there is crazy. I have brand new music, doing a soul country album right now, outside of Nashville. And we released the first song, Looking for Love, which is also the title track for the album as well, Looking for Love tour. And man, whenever we can, I definitely always try to make it out to Aotearoa, bro. It's one of my favorite places.
That's it, brother. Are you looking forward to eating the nice kai over here, the food? Have you gone to any good spots out here, brother?
Bro, come on, man. At this point, I feel like I'm a native of Aotearoa already. You're probably gonna the whole chicken. Where's that place at, man? Albert's? Where's it called?
Mount Albert?
Toby's? Is it Toby's?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, nice food.
Yeah,
spots,
but bro, it's all the guy out there, bro, is already is awesome, man, and just the vibe alone, man.
That's it, man. Have you got any more songs with Eddie on the beat coming through, or are you gonna be working with the bro?
Oh, shout out to my brother Eddie, man, on date night. You know, man, I'm always gonna support our local musicians, man, and like I've always said, I think we have some of the best of the best. I think our people do such great, amazing things, man. Eddie on the beat, man. He's my boy, and go follow him. He does great work, man. And again, brother, like probably, man. Who knows, man? We just might.
Yeah, that's it. How far through the album are you? Is it nearly done, or is it already?
You know, we're about wrapping up. We should be wrapping up about this month. It might come out around May, June. We'll see. But we're pretty much there. I'm out here in Nashville, all the way in the cold. It started snowing this morning, so that's freezing as, man.
Feeling, man. So that Hawaii feeling, my brother.
You know.
Are you gonna come to Christchurch down to South Island? Have you even heard of Christchurch in New Zealand?
Yeah, the last South Pacific tour we did a Christchurch run, and I actually have heaps of family out in Christchurch actually.
Oh.
Yeah, a lot from my father's my father's side. Yeah, I actually have a lot of heaps of family down there in Christchurch. The Tatofi family, they're out there.
The Toffee, oh man. What are you looking forward to the most in Auckland?
You know, man, my favorite thing to do, honestly, bro, is like going shopping for my mom, man. I find myself down in Otahuhu all the time, bro. You know, make sure mom is taken care of, and I believe my parents would be down there as well, man. But to be honest, coming from yeah. No, my parents live in Hawaii, but a lot of us go to places like Otahuhu, to get the ie or the tupenu, because a lot of those things we don't have in Hawaii, So whenever I'm out to Aotearoa, bro, I do a lot of shopping for the parents. That's for sure.
Oh, tupenu and that tupenu ie.
Yeah, the tupenu is a cultural aspect. That's just a must. Any Pacific Islander man definitely should have an ie whakanga or a tupenu for sure. So I be out there, and then of course the food out there, bro, is always great, bro. Of course the meat pies, the fish and chips.
You know how
all
is,
the
man.
Yeah,
America
for sure.
America don't hit it like the New Zealand food, hey.
Nah, man. Again, whenever we're out in Aotearoa, bro, even going down to Toby's and getting the oysters and the kina. I'm a big fan of the Auckland kina, man. Like
kina on toast, brother. You need to try that one with real butter.
Yeah, with the anchor butter. Yeah, the best of the best.
Yeah, brother. You need to come to down south. We got the best seafood. I'm telling you now. We got the best food. Well, for sure. I appreciate you, brother.
I appreciate you, my guy. For real, man. The love is real, bro. Mutual, for sure. Thanks, Honey. Thank you guys for having me, man.